take the tip off and the screw head remains, and you put a new tip on.
Yeah. So I wonder if epoxy would do this rubber band around effect we were talking about earlier.
Well, I mean, you would
Think it would be easy to make that?
I think it would be harder to make that because epoxy wants to make things adhere together, right?
Yeah, which we don't quite want.
Right. So what you want is to hold the screw in and make that hold the tip, and then you need some kind of thing to go around the diameter of that last segment to compress into the top segment to keep it in place so it doesn't unfold.
Yeah, it's the diameter of the segment I was talking about.
Yeah, exactly.
To use with.
So that's the part I don't have. And the other thing is if we epoxy that screw in, you won't have use of that cane for 24 hours until it dries.
Well, that I could probably live with because I don't need it all that much here. I'm hardly
You
ever
need it to
alone.
go up and down the hill.
Yeah, but if I'm following somebody, I'll be fine. Yeah. I use a cane when he push comes to shove.